Hey, today I'm going to jump on here and make a video on how to use an emergency tire repair kit. I've carried one in my toolbox on my ATV for quite a while now, and thought I'd give her a go, see how it works. As you can see, I'm not actually on the trail, but I got home and realized I picked up a nail somewhere, and what a better opportunity to try one of these repair kits and see if they actually work. So let's fly at her. I'm going to pull the nail out using a multi-tool. I always carry one wherever I go in my kit, so let's see if it'll work. Oh geez, it's a lot bigger of a nail than I thought it was. Alright, I didn't expect it to be a 4-inch nail, but there it is. Okay, so once you have the nail out, you can go ahead and grab your repair kit. I use Stop and Go ATV Repair Kit. There's a lot of brands that make them, but basically you need a reamer and a device to put the plugs in. So once you have the nail out, you gotta just ream the hole out and make it a little bit bigger. So you just stick it in the hole, twist it in, pull it out. Basically, you're just trying to rough it up, clean it up a little bit, make it the appropriate size for the plug. Once that's out, you take this other nifty device here with a little slot in it and some of the actual plug material. Slide it in about halfway. Once you're about halfway in, fold it over. Use some of the glue and sealant. Spread it on evenly through here. This is the actual glue that binds this plug in. Hopefully I'm not getting my hands in the way here, but just evenly coat it around there. Set it aside. Once that's done, work the tool in. You want to work it in there, get it about halfway. And then pull the tool out. The tool's got a little slot in it so that it leaves the plug in there. And that's it there. That'll plug your tire up. Give it a few minutes to dry, maybe longer. I should probably look at the instructions. And then you can move on to the next step, which is actually re-inflating the tire. This kit comes with a canister and a fill. Never used one, but gonna give her a go today. Okay, so I'll move the camera over and we're back at it. Let's repressurize this tire. So first you unscrew your valve cap, screw the little adapter on. You want to use the cylinder that's got a protected on it because it's going to dump a bunch of the cartridge in there and get cold. So you just want to make sure your hand's a little protected. There you go, just like that. The tire's charged back up. One cartridge seemed to fill it up enough to pressurize it. Could probably use another, but I'll just jump on the gauge and check it out. So that was just one cartridge in there, so let's see what pressure we got. So we got about 3 pounds there. We'll fire the other cartridge in too and just see what it brings us up to. The kit comes with 2. So let's give her a go. You can buy just the recharge kits, so again, put the cover on because it's going to get cold. Thread it on. Thread that part on. There you go. So the tire inflate a little more. I don't know if you guys can see that. 2 cartridges gave us about 5 psi. Plenty to get us back home. And that's it. First time using it, it worked pretty smooth. Didn't really waste any time and wait in between the plug. You can see the plugs there. This is just an emergency repair, so as soon as you get back off the trail, you're supposed to dismount the tire, take it to a shop. They'll remove the plug and put in a proper tire repair in there. So, but this worked pretty good, pretty smooth kit, went pretty quick, and it'll get you safely back off the trail to the trailhead and the trailer to get you back home. All right, thanks for watching, guys.